So there's been a midnight coup of sorts in Maharashtra. The BJP and the NCP have come together to form a government. Devendra Fadnavis was administered the oath of office as Chief Minister and Ajit Pawar as Deputy Chief Minister in an early morning Raj Bhavan ceremony. Early Saturday morning, they were sworn in as Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. So why have these two unlikely partners come together? On the face of it, both Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar maintaining that for the last month or so, since election results were announced, Maharashtra has not had a government. There are numerous people's problems that need to be taken care of, and they have come together for stability and for giving a stable government for the next 5 years. Up until late Friday night, the talk was around the Shiv Sena, the Congress, and the NCP coming together. Now, what is the politics that's going on behind? Who are the winners and who are the losers? Now, clearly, one of the big winners in this is the BJP, whether it's Narendra Modi, Amit Shah or Devendra Fadnavis. They were all very quiet for the last 15 days or so. They were behind the scenes maneuvering in a way to form this alternative arrangement. Eventually, they were able to convince Ajit Pawar to join hands with them and form this government. So make no mistake about this, this is a political masterstroke by the BJP. The biggest loser in this is the Shiv Sena and Uddhav Thackeray, clearly because Uddhav Thackeray had staked his entire future, the future of his political party, on him or a Shiv Sainik becoming chief minister. That gamble has completely come unraveling. Clearly, the Congress too has been caught napping. Perhaps the reason why they were dragging their feet on this coming together of this unlikely coalition of NCP, Congress, Sena was perhaps they had got wind that yes, maybe some kind of a double game is happening. Where does this leave Sharad Pawar? For public consumption, he is saying that this is a rebellion by his nephew, that only a few MLAs have gone with him. The majority of the MLAs, the majority of the party, the workers are all with Sharad Pawar. But the big question is this. How much of this is for public consumption by Sharad Pawar, or behind the scenes has he given his blessings to his nephew to do this? What happens next? Clearly, the next big focus is going to be on the Assembly trust vote. Devendra Fadnavis has been given time till the end of the month. He will have to prove his majority on the floor of the House. What will be interesting to watch out for when that trust vote happens is how many of the NCP MLAs vote with Ajit Pawar and how many of them vote with Sharad Pawar or the official party line. NCP has 54 MLAs. If they have to circumvent the anti-defection law, then at least 36 of those 54 MLAs have to vote with Ajit Pawar. Thereby, he would have managed to successfully break away 2/3 of the legislature party of the NCP. If that were not to happen, they could potentially invite provisions of the anti-defection law. What is the legal recourse for the Congress or the Shiv Sena or even Sharad Pawar? They could approach the courts. They could make a claim that the governor did not follow due procedure, that the letters of support did not mean anything because the letters of support were taken from the MLAs in case of a potential Sena NCP Congress combine coming together. Ultimately, these are constitutional questions, these are legal questions which will be deliberated upon by the Supreme Court of India. So have we seen something like this before? Of course we have. Most famously, we saw it in the case of Karnataka when Kumaraswamy broke away a bulk of the JDS MLAs to support the BJP for the first time. This was in 2006-07. At that time, his father, H.D. Devegowda, had said that his son had betrayed him, but it didn't matter politically or legally because a bulk of the MLAs were with Kumaraswamy. More recently, we saw Nitish Kumar do this, a coup of sorts, when he broke away from the RJD and Congress coalition and then joined hands with the BJP to form an alternative government in Bihar. So we have seen this template at play in different states in the past. So in that sense, it's not anything new. The big picture is this, that there has been one big alliance that has been destroyed, which was the BJP and the Shiv Sena. It's the oldest saffron alliance, allies for the last 30 years. That alliance has now been completely broken down, and there is now a new alliance in Maharashtra, the BJP and the NCP. The major contours of politics in Maharashtra has changed for the foreseeable future.